Hi, beautiful creatures! So at my back is the official poster of Kusug conference that will be held this coming November 14 here at New Life Bacolod Church. So here with me is my husband, and we will be interviewing him why he is going to join the Kusug conference together with his beautiful wife. Oh, support mo naman ako, di ba? So,
Hi.
halika dito. Ikaw yung ano ko.
Okay. No question.
Why are we joining Kusug conference is coming November 14? What is Kusug, firstly?
Kusug derives from actually Bisaya siya word. And power. That means power. Kusug.
Kusug
Yeah.
is power.
Yeah. The question again,
For
why Kusug?
This is a
Kusug.
conference for men.
Yeah. Conference
Men.
for men. Tatay in the house. Okay. Question again.
Question, sorry. Nadula ko sa question. Ang gwapo mo kasi. So question, why did we decide to join Kusug conference this year?
We decided na mag-join sa Kusug conference because number one is sa mag-asawa, you really have to know your purpose. Lalo na sa tatay, you really have to know your calling. Go deeper, ga-attend na gani mga 50,000, 20,000 na seminars sa professional careers nato. What more lang ang 1,500 if we join the Seminar for Life. And that's Kusug.
For eternity.
And, yeah, Seminar for Eternity.
Yes.
Well, yeah, so the reason is I believe that we will gain more knowledge and go deeper with the Lord. That's the reason why we registered for this activity, and we are so excited.
This year,
This
right?
year, yes.
So that's from my husband. So this event is more than just a conference. It is a movement of men. So it's time to raise up your flag as the leader of the home. So
See you.
see you. God designed men to be the leader of the home, your home, your family. So from the word Kusug, you have to have that
Kusug.
Kusug to carry your family, no, to lead your family. As what Pastor Gerson said, one man, one family, one